Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make big bubbles with your hands. You just need some shampoo and some water and your hands. No other, instruments or strings to make big bubbles. So the first procedure is that you take the shampoo and put a little bit on your hand. And this is enough. Then you take some water. The solution should be like 80% water and 20% soap. So you just this foamy. And see, it's not that bubbly, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of water. Yep. And what you have to do is just you do this. And yeah, that's the way you can make big bubbles.